So welcome students to the digital class of mathematics. Today in our sixth session of chapter number 8 comparing quantities, we will be learning how to find the compound interest when the interest is compounded annually but time is in fraction. Again, so what you're going to study today? How to find the compound interest when the interest is compounded annually but the time is in fraction. That means the time is in incomplete years. For example, if the time given to you is 2, 3 by 4 years, so how are you going to find out the amount? In that case, it will be principal bracket 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power 2. Why 2 here? 2 is the complete year here. Na? 2 3 by 4 means 2 is the complete year and 3 by 4th of the next year. Okay. And in the next one, what you gonna do? It is 1 plus 3 by 4 into rate. आप rate का 3 by 4th निकाल दोगे. So if supposingly अगर आपके पास time given होगा 1 by 2 years, उस केस में आपका अमाउंट क्या हो जाएगा? अमाउंट विल बी प्रिंसिपल ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस रेट अपॉन में 100 रेज टू द पावर 1, क्योंकि आपका 1 कंप्लीट ईयर है और नेक्स्ट आपका आधा साल है, हाफ ईयर है. सो उस हाफ ईयर के लिए आप क्या चार्ज करोगे? 1 by 2 इंटू रेट. रेट को सिर्फ हाफ कर दोगे, राइट? जैसे यहाँ पे आपके पास 2 3 by 4 था. फॉर दिस 2 कंप्लीट ईयर्स आपने रेट यही लिया, बट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3/4 ईयर आपने रेट को 3/4 कर दिया. एंड इन केस अगर वही आपको 1 by 2 गिवन होता रेट टाइम 1 by 2 ईयर्स, तो आप 1 पूरा कंप्लीट चार्ज करते रेट 1 ईयर के लिए, एंड फॉर द नेक्स्ट हाफ ईयर आप रेट को ही हाफ कर देते. Is it clear? Now let's see the question based on the same of exercise 8.3. Calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 18,000 for 2.5 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. So this is the case of compounded annually. जब केस है compounded annually तो हम फटाफट से सबसे पहले चेक करते हैं टाइम क्या है. The time is 1 by 2 years. That means time आपका किस में given है? Fractions में given है. जब आपका time fractions में given है, तो उस केस में थोड़ा सा amount का formula change होता है. So now let's write down first P, R and N value. So principal given to us is rupees 18,000. The rate given to us is 10% per annum compounded annually, right? And the time given to us is 1 by 2 years, right? So in this case amount will be equal to principal bracket 1 plus rate upon में 100. Now rate आपका complete कितने years के लिए लेंगे हम? 2 years के लिए, क्योंकि 2 years के लिए ये complete है, and for the next year में आप कितना चार्ज करोगे? हाफ. सो इन दैट केस आप रेट को क्या कर दोगे? हाफ. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई रेट विद 1 by 2 देन अपॉन में 100. इज इट क्लियर? अगेन आई एम सेइंग बिकॉज द टाइम हियर इज 1 by 2 ईयर्स, तो 2 आपके कंप्लीट ईयर्स हैं, तो उस कंप्लीट ईयर्स के लिए रेट आपका आर ही रहेगा एंड एन विल बी 2. बट फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर, ठीक है, जो आपका पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं है ना, वो हाफ ईयर है, तो उसके लिए आप रेट भी हाफ चार्ज करोगे. Okay, so now let's substitute the value. So it is rupees 18,000 into bracket 1 plus rate 10 upon में 100 raised to the power 2 into bracket again 1 plus 1 by 2 into the rate, that is 10 upon में 100. Now this 2 and 10 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. And in this bracket 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. So what we are left with? Rupees 18,000 into bracket 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to the power 2 and in the second bracket it will be 1 plus, अब यहाँ पे ऊपर कितना बचा 5/1, 5/1 को आप 5 भी लिख सकते हैं, so this will be 5 upon में 100 bracket close. Now this 5 and 100 will get cancelled, 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. Now let's take the LCM inside the brackets. So it will be here 10 and 10 ones are 10 plus 1 raised to the power 2 into, let's take the LCM here, it will be 20 and 20 plus 1, right? Now this will be equal to 18,000 into 10 plus 1 is 11 upon 10 whole raised to the power 2 into 21 by 20, because 20 plus 1 is 21. Now let's open this power. It will become 18,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 21 upon 20. Right? Now let's cancel the zeros. 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Now we can also cancel this 2 with 18. 2 9s are 18. So what we are left with? 9 into 11 into 11 into 21. So 11 into 11 we know that it's 121. So I can write down that amount is equals to rupees 9 into 121 into 21. On multiplying 9 with 121 and 21, you will get rupees 22,869. So we have calculated the amount. Now what next? We need to calculate the compound interest. So compound interest का formula क्या होता है? Compound interest is equals to amount minus principal. So let's substitute the value. So it will be 22,869 minus the principal, which is rupees 18,000. Now let's subtract. So it will be 9, 6, 8 and 22 minus 18 is 4. So the CI is equals to rupees 4,869. So this is our compound interest, the answer and the amount. We need to find out both, तो हम दोनों को ही box में डालेंगे so that we can highlight our answers. Is it clear? Now let's see question number 2 of exercise 8.3. Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. Compounded yearly means annually only. Okay? So Kamla ने कितने money borrow करी बैंक से? 26,400. So that 26,400 will become the principal. जो आप money borrow करते हो, invest करते हो, वो आपकी principal हो जाती है. Now she borrowed this money at the rate of 15% per annum compounded yearly. तो ये yearly का case है. So we will first mention the rate, which is 15% per annum compounded yearly. You can also write or annually, both are correct. What you need to find now? What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? मतलब कितना उसको amount pay करना पड़ेगा 2 years and 4 months के बाद, so that all his loan get clear. So here the time is in fraction, 2 years and 4 months, right? So first let's convert this 4 months into fraction, क्योंकि हमें fraction में time चाहिए होता है, right? So the end given to us is 2 years and 4 months. So let's convert this 4 months into year. तो बेटा 4 months में कितने year होंगे? We know that 1 year में 12 months होते हैं. So we can write this as 4 by 12 year. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are. That means 2 years and 4 months में फ्रैक्शन में इफ यू विल राइट इट विल बी व्हाट, यहाँ पे आप 1/3 ईयर लिख सकते हैं. दिस विल बी 2 1/3 ईयर्स, मतलब 2 कंप्लीट ईयर्स हैं और जो नेक्स्ट ईयर है उसका 1/3 में आपने पे कर देना. ओके, सो नाउ आपका अमाउंट किसके इक्वल होगा? प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस रेट अपॉन में 100 raised to the power 2 for that complete years, right? And for the next incomplete year, rate आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 1/3. So 1/3 into r upon में 100 bracket close. Is it clear? Now let's put the values. So principal is rupees 26,400. The rate is 15%, that means 15 upon 100 raised to the power 2. And in the next bracket it will be 1 plus 1/3 into 15 upon में 100. So here this 3 and 15 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. And I can also cancel this 5 and 100. Shall I do it in the same step? So it is 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. Right? And here 15 and 100 will also get cancelled. 5 threes are 15, 5 20s are 100. So now what we are left inside the bracket? So it will be 26,400 into bracket 1 plus 3 upon 20 raised to the power 2, and here it is 1 plus पूरा ऊपर आपका सिर्फ 1 ही बच रहा है, 1 upon में 20. Now let's take the LCM inside the bracket. It is 26,400 into, in the first bracket it will be 20. So here it will be 20 plus 3 power 2. In the second bracket the LCM is again 20. 20 into 1 is 20 plus 1 and bracket close. So in the next step the amount is equals to rupees 26,400 into, last step में we have written 20 plus 3. So 20 plus 3 is 23 upon में 20 raised to the power 2, and here we will write down 20 plus 1 by 20. That means 20 plus 1 is 21 upon में 20. So this is equals to rupees 26,400 into 23 upon में 20, 23 upon में 20 into 21 upon में 20. So this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Now I can cancel 264 with 20. 2 tens are, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. Again on 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12, 2 6 are 12. Again on 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. So what we are left with? 33 into 23 into 23 into 21 whole upon में 10. So when you multiply 33 with 23, 23 and 21, you have to multiply these numbers. What you need to multiply? You need to multiply 33 with 23 into 23 into 21. You will get the answer as 3,66,597. This will be upon 10, right? So what will be the amount now? Amount is equals to rupees 36,659.7, right? Point आपका 1 digit छोड़ के लग जाएगा, and because this is a rupees तो हम यहाँ पे 0 जरूर लिखेंगे. So what they were asking you to find out in the question, that what amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months? What amount? So we have calculated the amount to clear her loan. So we can write down the statement. Hence, she will pay rupees 36,659.70 to clear her loan. Is it clear now? Now let's see question number 6. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, you need to find out the difference in amount he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. Again, let's read the question. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. आरिफ ने बैंक से कितना पैसे उधार लिए? 80,000 का लोन लिया. So our principal given here is rupees 80,000. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, rate हमें कितना given है? 10% per annum. What we need to find out? Difference in amount he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. This means we need to find out first the amount कि कितना अमाउंट हुआ अगर आप कंपाउंडेड एनुअली से कैलकुलेट करते हो और कितना अमाउंट उसको पे करना पड़ेगा अगर आप कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली से करते हो. जब आपने दोनों केसेस में, यहाँ पे दोनों केसेस हैं बेटा, कंपाउंडेड एनुअली से भी आपको सॉल्व करना है, कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली का केस भी सॉल्व करना है. उसके बाद जो दोनों के अमाउंट्स आएंगे उसको क्या करना है आपको? माइनस, बिकॉज दे आर आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस. So let's do the first part, which is the case of compounded annually. So the rate given to us is 10% per annum compounded annually. So what is the time given to us? 1.5 years. So see, here the time is in fraction, right? तो टाइम फ्रैक्शन है, 1 कंप्लीट ईयर है और नेक्स्ट ईयर आपका हाफ है, तो 1 कंप्लीट ईयर के लिए रेट आपका फुल लगेगा एंड फॉर द नेक्स्ट हाफ ईयर रेट आपका कितना हो जाएगा? हाफ कर दोगे आप. सो द अमाउंट इज इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस रेट अपॉन में 100 raised to the power 1 for the 1 complete year, and for the next year it will be 1 plus 1 by 2 into rate whole upon में 100. Rate half हो जाएगा, right? So this will be equal to, what is the principal now? 80,000 into bracket 1 plus rate, that means 10 upon 100 raised to the power 1 into next bracket में it will be 1 plus कितना है? 1 by 2 into 10 upon में 100. So now this 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and in this bracket we can cancel 2 and 10, 2 ones are 2 5s are, and we can also cancel 5 and 100. This will be 5 upon 100 only. So 5 ones are 5, 5 20. So what we are left with? Rupees 80,000 into bracket 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to the power 1 into here what we are left with 1 plus, ऊपर आपका कुछ नहीं बचा except 1 and in the denominator 20. Now we have to take the LCM inside the brackets. So it will be 80,000 into, the LCM will be 10. 10 into 1 is 10 plus 1. Raised to the power 1 हमें लिखने की बार-बार ज़रूरत है? No, right? We can. So here it will be 20. Now 20 into 1 is 20 plus 1. Now this will be 80,000 into 10 plus 1 is 11 upon 10 and 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 20. So this 0 and 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 400s are 800. तो अब आपके पास कितना बचा? 400 into 11 into 21. So this can be written as 400 into 11. 4400 बोल सकते हैं. So I can write down here the amount is equals to rupees 4400 into 21. So on multiplying 4400 with 21, you will get the answer 92,400 400. So this is the amount जो आपने निकाल दिया कंपाउंडेड एनुअली से. अब नेक्स्ट केस में सेकेंड पार्ट में आपको क्या करना था, यू ऑल्सो हैव टू फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट. कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली का केस, प्रिंसिपल 80,000, रेट इज 10% and the time given to you is 1.5 years. So let's find it out the amount when the case is compounded half yearly. So आपका principal will be same, that means 80,000. Rate आपका कितना given है, 10% per annum. Compounded half yearly का case है, तो इस केस में ये कितना हो जाएगा, 10/2% per half year. Right? Now this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. तो रेट आपका कितना हो गया, 5% per half year. Right? And time given to you is 1.5 years. Right? 1.5 years mean कितने half yearlies? 3. That means 3 half years. Now what we need to find out? The amount. Amount formula is same here. Principal into bracket 1 plus rate upon में 100 raised to the power n. So the principal here is rupees 80,000 into the rate is 5 upon में 100 and the time here now is 3. n3 हो गया ना आपका. Now let's solve the inside of the bracket first. It will be 80,000 into bracket 5 1s are 5, 5 20. So what we are left with, 1 plus 1 upon 20 whole raised to the power 3. This can be further written as 80,000 into, let's take the LCM, 20. Here it will be 20 into 1, 20 plus 1 whole raised to the power 3. Now it can be written as 80,000 into 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 20 raised to the power 3. So what will be the next step? The amount is equals to rupees 80,000 into, this is 21 by 20, so 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. So these zeros will get cancelled. The 3 zeros will get cancelled. What we are left with here? 20. Now 2 1, 240, 2 1, 220, 2 1, 2 10. So what we are left with? Rupees 10 into 21 into 21 into 21. और 21 का क्यूब क्या होता है? That is 10 into 9261. On multiplying, what you will get? 92610. तो आपने दोनों केसेस में अमाउंट निकाल दिए. दिस इज फॉर कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली और यहाँ आपने निकाल दिया कंपाउंडेड एनुअली का. राइट? नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इन द क्वेश्चन, we have to find out the difference in the amount. Difference in the amount, that means we need to subtract. So we will write down here now, difference in amounts is equals to rupees 92,610. ये आपका हाफ ईयरली का, एंड एनुअली का इज 92,400. सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, व्हाट यू विल गेट, 210 rupees. Clear? Now let's see question number 7. Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Maria ने कितना इन्वेस्ट किया बिजनेस पे? 8,000 rupees. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually का केस है ये आपका. राइट? This is the interest given. Find the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year. सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में जाके उसके पास कितना पैसा आएगा अगर उसने 8,000 रुपीज इन्वेस्ट किए 5% पे, and it is a case of compounded annually. So what is the principal given? We have to only find out the amount. The rate given to us is 5% per annum compounded annually, right? And the time given to us is complete, that is 2 years. So I can find out the amount, which is principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n. So let's substitute the value. It will be 8,000 into bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to the power 2. Now this will be 5 ones are 5, 520. So what will get? Rupees 8,000 into, in the bracket, 1 plus 1 upon 20. Now let's take the LCM inside the bracket. So it will be 20, and here it will be 20 plus 1 square. 20 plus 1 means 21, or shall I write down here directly 21 by 20 into 21 by 20, because power 2 hai na? So this 0 and 0 will get cancelled, this 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Now it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 40s are, 2 ones are 2, 220. So what we are left with? Rupees 20 into 21 into 21. So we know that 21 square is 441, and on multiplying 441 with 20, what you will get? 0, 2 ones are 2, 8, 8. That means 8,820 is the amount she will get at the end of the second year. Is it clear? Is the first part clear now? Now let's see the second part. For second part, you only have to find out the interest for the third year. आपको सिर्फ बेटा third year का ही interest निकालना है. He is not asking you that you need to find out the interest he will get at the end of third year. They are saying you have to find out the interest for the third year. For the third year means this amount which she is getting at the end of second year will become the principal for the next year. So we will write down here the statements. Amount at the end of the second year will become the principal for the next year. So अब next year का हमारा principal कितना हो जाएगा? That is rupees 8,820. The rate will be the same. That is, what is the rate given in the question? 5%. So we will be writing only 5% per annum. And what is the time? 1 year. And now we will be using the simple interest, because हमें interest ही तो find out करना है 1 साल का. तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला, विच इज P into R into T upon में 100. So the principal is rupees 8,820 into the rate 5 into the time 1 upon में 100. So this 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. So what we are getting as an interest? 444. So this is the interest for the third year usko milega, and for the at the end of the second year she will be getting 8,820. So now students, in your homework you need to write down all the questions discussed in the session along with the question mentioned here. Thank you.